Hello everybody, we'll be discussing whether you should become a Bitcoin investor in India. We'll be talking about regulation and regulatory risk you are subject to. We'll discuss what is the kind of return on investment to expect if you're investing in Bitcoin and how much can you invest in the first place. We'll also discuss where can you buy it from and where should you keep it. First things first, what is all this noise around regulation not being clear? The short answer is, in India, the government is not out with regulation. In India, it's not illegal to buy, hold or sell Bitcoin. So far, they have not made it. So far, you are in your right to buy, hold or sell it. Are you subject to future regulatory risk and tomorrow you face some problem because of it? Totally you can. Keep an eye on that. But my opinion on the matter is that the government is not going to come out with a very strict view. They'll have something that's more balanced, more technology and innovation pro. And whatever else, it will give time to retail investors to sell off their Bitcoin and take their money out. So in my opinion, you are not subject to a lot of regulatory risk, but take your call, do your research. Now, how much should you invest, given that we have established that it's not like illegal to do it? You should invest as much as you would take to a casino tonight. If I go to Goa today and I'm happy to blow off 50,000 rupees without waking up tomorrow and crying over it, then that is the kind of money I can invest in Bitcoin, because it can totally go to ashes, go to nothing. So whatever money you are comfortable blowing off in a casino tonight, I think that is the answer. That is the kind of money you should be investing in Bitcoin. What is the kind of ROI to expect? Nobody knows it. It was some 19 cents in 2010 and today in 2017 it's $19,000. That's 1 lakh times. Will it trace the same trajectory? We don't know. Do I think? I think it'll grow. It has value. But I'll give you perspective of a few of the more learned people in the world. For example, Richard Branson thinks that it will go to $500,000 to $1 million of Bitcoin. That is 3 to 6 crore in a couple of years. What today is of 10 lakh rupees. One Bitcoin today is close to 10-13 lakh rupees, in that range. On the flip side, the biggest giant of money-making market, Warren Buffett, says that it is a scam and it will go to ashes and it will go to zero. So that is why I say put in the money you're happy to blow off and not cry over. That is the kind of money. You can make a lot of money or you can make not make any money. Be prepared in either cases. Now, if you have decided to buy a Bitcoin and hold it, where should you buy it from? You can buy it from so many apps that are available in India, such as Coin, ZepPay. There are so many others. Feel free to research and buy it. I use ZepPay. I just find it convenient. Where do I keep my Bitcoin? You can either leave it in the app, and that's called keeping it in the hot wallet. If you leave it in the app or on the website, and it's very prone to getting stolen. It might not, but it is kind of prone. So most people keep it in cold storage. What's a cold storage? It's just like you take your password, etc., and put it in a pen and a paper and a different address, etc. Detail on cold and hot storages will be covered in a subsequent video. Should you want to see more on where to store it, please go to that and use that. So I buy it off ZepPay and I keep it in cold storage. That's my mantra on Bitcoin. Just one thing, if you are going to buy it, one thing I would say, a cautionary note, is that don't buy it from all the people who are running schemes on Bitcoin. You pay this much this month and we'll give you so much every month. I would not do it. Just buy Bitcoin from the apps that let you buy Bitcoin and keep it in a cold storage and forget about it till you want to sell it. That, to my mind, would be the best thing. I would not even trade it, and I would advise that you don't try to time the market. Nobody has ever been able to do it. Not in equity market, not in real estate market, etc. Don't try to time the market, especially given how volatile Bitcoin market is. Don't try to do that. It's high, I'll sell. It's low, I'll buy. I think somewhere you will miss the bus of growth. So just buy, leave it in cold storage, the kind of money you're happy to lose, and go to sleep. And let's check in a couple of years if we are all super wealthy or we have just lost the money in casino.